The Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Democratic Front in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council has announced plans to relocate the council's office from Mawprem to Mawdiangdiang in New Shillong. This information was shared by the executive member overseeing the General Administrative Department in response to a query from Shella MDC Teinwell Dkhar during the winter session of the KJDC.
Let's say when to conduct group second kita yaitu officers di staff kita ni iteration kemudian dan kedua berbentuk wajah itu menyertai kata apa makna indrai iteration dan officers tiba dan satu palat yang keluar Mawprem dalam tahun penbiak yang dijadikan jumlah baru di kamera yang
Additionally, the Chief Executive Member of the KJDC, Penyai Singh's aim, in alignment with the Executive Member of the Council, Tebor Pathao's statement, revealed that the Council has communicated with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, regarding the construction of a Council Bhavan in New Delhi.
People are still not seeing this concept. How many of this car nanti keras sih konstitusi yang refli apa dan tak ada sebagai paman di tempat buat sekarang. Bagai apa itu bagaimana sekarang yang sepuluhan bagaimana di sini Khadc Mawprem itu menyiksa masyarakat salah.